Hi, welcome to Nature and Intent's digital content creation course. Nature and Intent is a creative consultancy and digital container. We work with fashion, lifestyle, holistic, and wellness brands creating authentic content, marketing, and production. And our intention is that our work and our partnerships create a meaningful impact for the collective good. I created this course because I wanted to add value to the digital space. I wanted to promote content creation that is intentional and marketing that is authentic. It's so important to have a digital presence, so this is a way for you to create your own voice, your own narrative, and share it with the world. This course is for startups looking to communicate their brand intention. It's for companies selling products, individuals with holistic services, as well as creative and lifestyle businesses looking to elevate their digital presence.